COVID-19 cases in India crossed 9,000 mark, records 308 deaths. Novel coronavirus claim at least 1,12,500 across the world. And Dhubri residents with Nizamuddin link test COVID-19 positive figure rises to 30 in Assam. Hello and welcome to Times of Manipur News. You're watching News Today. I'm JESSIA giving you the news in details. India today recorded 308 deaths related to the coronavirus disease, 35 in the last 24 hours and 620 new COVID-19 cases, taking the tally across the country to 9,152 according to the Union Health Ministry data. The Health Ministry website showed at 8 a.m. there were 7,987 active cases, 857 people were cured, discharged or had migrated 2 days before the national lockdown is about to end as per a media report. India's worst hit state Maharashtra has 2,351 coronavirus cases, including 217 people who have been cured and 149 fatalities as of Monday. The state had crossed 1,000 cases just last Tuesday, but the past 9 days reported more than 100 per day, including 3 days that show more than 200 cases. In the national capital of Delhi, there have been 1,205 coronavirus disease cases, and out of which 24 people have died and 27 have been discharged from hospitals. Tamil Nadu is on the second spot with 1,136 COVID-19 cases. There have been 11 deaths in the southern state and 50 people have recovered. The novel coronavirus has claimed at least 1,12,510 lives across the world, with the United States being the hardest hit country according to news agency AFP. The US has reported over 21,000 casualties from COVID-19 and 5,46,874 infections. However, Dr. Anthony Fauci, the top infectious disease expert in the US, says the economy in part of the country could be allowed to reopen as early as next month. Meanwhile, the UK became the fourth European country after Italy, Spain and France to reach the grim milestone of 10,000 deaths from COVID-19. Meanwhile, Nagaland recorded its first case of COVID-19 with a patient admitted in Assam's Guwahati testing positive for the coronavirus on Sunday. Assam Health Minister Himanta Biswa Sharma tweeted late on Sunday night that the patient, who was referred to Guwahati from a private hospital in Dimapur in Nagaland, was found positive. Another person from Dhubri district in Assam has been tested COVID-19 positive on Monday. State Health Minister Himanta Biswa Sharma shared the news on Twitter early Monday morning. The state has recorded the first death last week. This is the second positive case that has been reported from the northeast in the last 24 hours. This development has been reported a day after Nagaland reported its first case of the COVID-19 on Sunday. Manipur and Tripura have reported 2 cases each, while Mizoram and Arunachal Pradesh have reported 1 case each. Meghalaya and Sikkim are the only states from the northeast which are yet to report a single case of the COVID-19. Now it's time for a short break. Keep watching Times of Manipur News.
Sangai Services Private Limited Yellow Mida Thabak Pirasi Thabakta Chilau Thiroisi Adom na mayok nariba awaba sing adu kokhan nabagi damak leijare Sangai Services Private Limited Yum gi mi yamna leijade haibagi awaba lebiganu Yum gi darkar oiba thabak thoram sing tawbinaba sinmi nekpage khudong chaba phungbigani Manipur da ahan bo oina yamna hongna amadi yamna laina phone call amakhakna darkar oiba sinmi nekpa yabagi khudong chaba pijariba Sangai Services Private Limited ne pung kharagi amadi nongmagi waibagi khudong chaba su pijariba service sing di any type of construction, driver and home tutor available, housekeeping and house cleaning, pest control, catering service, electrician, carpenter, plumber, electronic repairing, haibadi, fridge, AC, water purifier asinachingba semjari amadi any type of labels available. Akupa Moral Gidama contact Tobiu, Sangai Services Private Limited, Uripok Torang Mamlekai, Manipur 795001. Aikogi contact number 7005071707 Natraga 7005112624. Aikogi email ID sangaiservices@gmail.com.
Khanghanjaba Lamjingba Hospital and Medical Research Institute Private Limited na Hogzik Oiriba Khudong Chadba Kaya Sigi Yenglaga Miyamgi Damag Hospital Asigi Maternity Ward Pung Kunmari Hangduna Miyamgi Thawal Taujaragani Adumakpu Hospital Asigi Atopa Department Singdi Service Lepchugani Hospital Asida Laktringe Mamangda Makhada Pizariba contact number Asida Hanana appointment Lobiu Amadi Patient Ka Miyui Amadagi Hena Loina Biraktanaba Khanghanjari Jariba Lamjingba Hospital and Medical Research Institute Private Limited, Rim Southgate, Kombinai Kaitel, contact number 8258967890.
Welcome back after the break. Over 30,000 people, including students from Manipur, are still stranded in several parts of India due to the COVID-19 lockdown. A group of nursing students from Andhra Pradesh have sought assistance from the state government. They have urged the state chief minister Nangtong Bambire to help them. Sources say these nursing students are facing shortage of food and other facilities.
Lockdown asi wisilapana maram oiraga chana thaknabudasu wasilae management nasu chaba thakpanaba provide tawbudasu awaba ama wasilae karigumba rescue tawba laklabadi akhoi isana Manipur thokpa matamda quarantine tawba yazare Makhatana extend Tawraklabadi, Kamtena, Awaba, Mayoknarani, Maram Asina, Pabumbirena, Miting, Tabiraga, Akoibunum Sibiduna, Mapam Asidagi, Putopinaba, Pabuna Miting, Jangsing Biu Haina, Hazeli.
A man was mysteriously found dead this morning near Haidang Bridge in Moray of Technopole district. The deceased has been identified as Thangjam Dipak, aged 24 years, of Moray Kunau Laikai, ward number 9. Reports said a scooter belonging to the deceased was also found near the body. Police have started an investigation into the matter. Ration was distributed to the residents of Uripo constituency under the supervision of Deputy Chief Minister Y. Joykumar. Joykumar, who is also the local MLA, assured of providing more help to the residents. The Social and Youth Welfare Organization SAYWO, the Lone Local Club in Komidog, Nongpok under Mayang Imphal constituency, provided basic edible items at low prices to residents in the area from April 10 to 12 last, with an objective to help people amid the lockdown. This was informed today in a press release from SAYWO. During the ongoing lockdown, Wahida Bhanu of Jangamdabi Gram Panchayat along with local members today distributed ration to the people of the Gram Panchayat. Amid the total lockdown and curfew, a DI truck loaded with around 40 sacks of yongchak, which was coming from Dimapur to Manipur, was seized by local club volunteers of Taubal Kiam Amurejam yesterday. According to reports, 6 non-locals in the vehicle were illegally transporting the yongchak. They were handed over to Taubal police by the club volunteers. It is learned that the non-locals are from Dimapur in Nagaland and that they did not possess any inner line permit or curfew passes. The report said they were later sent to quarantine center located at ISBT Imphal.
New kind of Dimapur, the Gindan Manipuri, Ngang, Indian Toktaba, Sundok Toktaba, Amadi, Wigi Masagi identified the way about Wigi document Amati Yogdana, permit Yogdana, Muji, Haiva, Wigi, Lekai, Yoksele, Wajima on the Paragam, Wigi, Wigi Polista, Sinavi, Tabakan, Satari, Adubu, State Government, Aquina, Hanjaning Madi, Mayam, see lockdown to Guy, Hadan, Lambi, the Toloposi, Hangoy Chungandana, saying the Kandana. Kogi Dakuming food and a Sukan Chickling in Cherakasida, Mokoji Kamaitona, Dimapur the Gi, Haiva, Kogi Manipur, Sanga, Haiva, Tovalgi, Kiams by Wang Taba, the Learn Association Amazon Lekai, Lekai, Sida, Kandong, you don't even have a say, for Home Department, Punijari, Marili Nava, Concerned Department, so must the action local you have said, the Kogi Association side to give Punijari.
On the auspicious occasion of Chairao Ward Meitei New Year, Tawal Municipal Council, Ward number 10, Councillor Hijam Jamuna Devi presented edible items to residents of the ward. Jamuna distributed the items at the doorstep. Nongthombam Hemanta Singh, a social worker, along with members of People Development Committee, Kumbi distributed clothes and edible items to the inmates of an old age home located at Shantipur under Kumbi. Once again, it's time for a short break. Keep watching Times of Manipur News.
Khanganjaba 31 Thobal Assembly Constituency gi cheng voter basis ta kg manga yenthokraga lemhoba losinduna thamba cheng sing adu amuk kendra sigi lairaba praja singda yenthoknaba press media gi thongda Thobal Hockey Association na haijakhibaga mari lenana nominee Asem Gopal Singh Masana media gi kuthangda local MLA amagi nominee anina cheng losinba leite lairaba sing khangalaga pinaba club organization singa kanna hotnari haiba wafam adu aranba yumpham yaudaba wafam ni aduga nominee mahak masana PIL natraga RTI thaduna fangba yagani haibasi miyamda lana uhanbane kendra sigi mangliba cheng asi yamna chauna mangle khangbadagi Thobal DC da manglaba cheng sing adu thidokpiyu haiduna club mangana punsilaga complain ama March ki tang 19 da thaki masigi matung tarakpada Thobal apun balupna nominee masaga mangliba cheng sing asigi matangda wari sanaki masida nominee Asem Gopal Singh Masana mangliba cheng sing asigi maramdi underground organization group amana chada kun manga kakre amadi gari bhara loading unloading asina chingbada changkhre haina kumlakhi masida waroisin purakpa ngamdabadagi Thobal apun balup amadi nominee masa yauna honorable MLA gi yumda phaminaduna wari sanabada MLA masana handak April tha asigidi organization amatana chengi kota kakpalaite haina khangalakhi masigi matung cheng sing adu praja singda yenthoklamdabadagi media gi Thobal Hockey Association na yenthoknaba haijakhibani masida kanagumba political party amataga mari lenajade khanganjariba M Arun Singh treasurer Thobal Hockey Association Hidak oina amadi thau oina animak sizinaba yaraba sangbrai thau fangbiragani sangbrai pambidagi sungba organic oiraba amadi side effect leitraba thau asina hiram kayada kanaba piri nungsang laikoi haksang chikpa laihau apomba phuri samkenba tonsil na chingba kaya laingbada kanaba piri thau si thakpadi yade akupa moral gidama contact tobiu sangbrai thau kyamgai maning lekai contact number 9366949811
Welcome back after the break. Nambol Youth Club and Library NYC Nambol Awang Laikai and Ward Development Committee WDC Nambol Awang under the supervision of Nambol MLA and Lokan yesterday distributed essential commodities to the residents of Nambol. Potato, salt, edible oil, vegetable, detergents and soaps were distributed to around 330 households. Members of Sanjembam Pukrambam Gram Panchayat Ward number 8 Elanita Devi distributed essential commodities provided by MLA and Lokan to around 230 households of Kakyai by maintaining social distancing at Ibudau Sorale Laibung for the second time. Ibudau Sorale Laibung committee has also distributed essential items to 420 houses of Kakyai. Sadao Mangaldai Rongali Bihu Sanmilani, a pioneer Bihu celebration committee in Assam, in its 66th year of formation, has already cancelled all its pre-scheduled programs except the flag hoisting ceremony. As per a media report, in response to the appeal made by the government, the Sanmilani has decided to observe the flag hoisting function at historic Gandhi Maidan in Mangaldai tomorrow morning, where only 5 members, including its president and working president, would take part. China's northeast Heilongjiang province, which borders Russia, has become the new battleground against the coronavirus as authorities reported the highest number of New Delhi cases in nearly 6 weeks, driven by infected travelers from overseas. As per a media report, a total of 108 new coronavirus cases were reported in mainland China last Sunday, up from 99 a day earlier, and marking the highest number of cases since 143 infections were reported on March 5th. China fears a rise in imported cases could spark a second wave of COVID-19 and push the country back into a state of near paralysis. Independent UN human rights experts have voiced grave concern over the killing and displacement of civilians in northwest Myanmar due to the intensifying conflict between the military and Arakan army rebels amid an information blackout in some parts of Rakhine and Chin states. According to media reports, civilians, including children, continue to bear the brunt of this escalating conflict. The experts said since the beginning of February, the Myanmar government had imposed restrictions including a 3-month suspension of mobile internet services in Muslim-majority Rakhine state and in Chin state. Further, credible reports show that fighting and possible use of heavy weapons have multiplied near ethnic Rakhine and Rohingya villages. On the one hand, civilians continue to experience severe difficulties in moving around the conflict-affected area, particularly for those in need of assistance. Meanwhile, heavy restrictions on humanitarian access in Rakhine state remain in excess for the media and human rights monitors is extremely limited. Now we have the local newspaper headlines.
The Shanghai Express. Cases June pass 8,400. Death toll reaches 273. First COVID-19 patient discharged from Jennings. Is Manipur certified COVID-19 free? Ask Beijing catches fire. The People's Chronicle. NE's first COVID-19 patient discharged. Who recommended lockdown relaxation? Ex-Chief Minister questions government. Center plans to ease some restrictions. Minister Radhesham oversees COVID-19 measures. Imphal Free Press. Imphal Free Press exclusive. Lockdown impact. Farmers, vegetable growers fear bleak future. Opposition seeks clarification from Chief Minister on relaxation of lockdown.
Before we end, let's take a look at the headlines once again. COVID-19 cases in India crossed 9,000 mark, records 308 deaths. Novel coronavirus claim at least 112,500 across the world. And Dhubri residents with Nizamuddin link test COVID-19 positive figure rises to 30 in Assam. That's all we have in this bulletin. Keep watching Times of Manipur News.